I hate you so much. Hey, look at this parrot I got.
Cool. It's a parrot.
It's gonna help us navigate conflict in our relationship.
Okay. Do you want to go to dinner?
Yeah, let's go.
Ah, fuck, my crock. That's a choice. Okay, let's go. I'm like so tired today because someone would not shut up last night.
Was it May again?
Yeah, she's so selfish. She's so, like, everything.
You know what? She's a real bitch.
Yeah, I'm not feeling that personally.
Maybe I shouldn't have said that. That was kind of mean of me.
I have a bone to pick with you.
What's up?
This morning, you didn't listen to me. You didn't reply to me when I spoke to you. You basically blanked me. Like, do I even mean anything to you?
Of course you do. I wasn't ignoring you. I was just busy.
No, don't say a single thing. Because listen to me, right? Listen to me. You don't respect me. You don't respect anything I stand for. You don't respect me. You don't respect who I am. You don't respect literally anything about me. And you had the nerve to say to my face that you actually respect me. You support me as a friend. You don't.
Of course I do.
You don't. Shut up. You don't. I'm sick of you pretending. Stop pretending that you care about. Okay. I'm sorry. I should not have raised my voice. I'm sorry.
Let's talk about this.
Don't say a single thing, because listen to me, right? Listen to